How to add a stop on Lyft. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can add a stop on Lyft, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Maybe that when you are booking a ride on Lyft, you want to add a stop in between so that you can tell your rider to stop in that area, maybe to pick up somebody or anything as such. In order to do so, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Lyft application here. Once you launch the Lyft app, first of all just go ahead and then try to book a ride. For this, now all you have to do is make sure that you enter a pickup location here. Once you enter a pickup location, in this case you should be able to enter those details and find all of those locations that are basically near your region. After that, you can also choose a destination. Now once you've done that, if you want to add a stop in between this ride, right, so let me just come back over here. If you want to add a stop in between this ride, you'll most likely be able to see the plus icon over here, and when you tap the plus icon, you would be able to go ahead and then basically add a stop to your Lyft ride. This way you'll be able to add a stop on Lyft. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.